Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see an important topic, that is how to do left click and right click using the mouse. So as you can see, this is google.com web page. Here we have few links like Gmail and images. So I'm going to do right click and also I'm going to do left click. We have definitely other ways to do left click, that is dot click method we have in Selenium, but here I'm going to do with the help of robot class. So how to do this? So we have understood about the robot class in our previous tutorial. So in my previous tutorial, I have already explained in detail about the robot class. You can please go and look at that particular video. Okay. Robot class is basically used to do the key and mouse event. Okay. We have various methods for the key and mouse events. So let us see the mouse events for this case. Okay. So let me create a method, public void test left right click. Okay, so this is my method. So I'm going to do, let me import this. So I'm going to do this with the help of robot class. So robot r equal to new robot. Let me, so this is, I'm creating an object reference for the robot class. So let me import this robot class from the java.awt. So let me also add the exception here. Okay, so we have different methods, okay, for handling these mouse uh, events. So we have different methods. We have our dot mouse move. So what I'm basically going to do is, so in order to click on this particular images link, we have to locate this element first. So for that I have to move this mouse cursor to this particular link. Okay, so that is why I'm going to use r dot mouse move, but we have to provide the coordinates. Okay, so because this is located in a coordinate, so the mouse should understand that I should move to this particular location. For that I have to provide the x coordinate and a y coordinate. Okay, so let us find the x coordinate and y coordinate. So what is the x and y coordinates of this particular link, this particular web element? For that, so we have to locate this element and find the x and y coordinates. So in order to find the x and y coordinates of this particular element, let me find the x part of this particular link. Okay, so that I can locate this element and I can find this x and y coordinate. So let me find the x path of this element images. So it's a link. So here it's in a text format, text images. So just put equal, yeah. So here, so I'm going to locate this element, driver dot find element by dot xpath. Okay, so this one I'm going to store in a web element. We give images, a variable I'm giving, and let me import this web element. And now, so basically what I'm doing, I'm going to find the x coordinate and y coordinates of this particular web element. So for that we have a method, okay, get location. So images dot get location. So this is going to give me the location, the coordinate, x coordinate dot get x. Okay, so get x is going to give me the x coordinate. Similarly we have images dot get location dot get of y. So this is going to give me the y coordinate. So I'll get the x and y coordinate with the help of these two lines. Okay, so let me print this and see what is the x and y coordinate of this particular images link. Okay, images web element. For that, let me print this. So I'll just print this out, and this also I am going to print this out. Okay, so now let me comment out these two lines for now. Okay, and I'll see what is actually it is going to print. Okay, I'll just run this. Okay, so now let us see what is actually it is returning. So it is returning 1052, the x coordinate, and 18 is the y coordinate. So let us use this 1052 and 18 in the r dot mouse move, in the mouse move method, so that my mouse can move to this particular location before clicking. Okay, so let us use it. Now let us use this 1052 here, 1052 and 18. Okay, so now Let me close this and see where the mouse is going if I run this code. So the mouse cursor will go. Can you see the mouse cursor is here? So it's exactly the x coordinate is correct. It is exactly in the it's aligned with this particular link. But y coordinate is little bit top. It is not here. So it is getting placed at the top. So how to bring this down? So we have to do some changes in the y coordinate value here, because it is not always the same that you have to use the same y coordinate value what is getting printed. So we have to do changes according to the location of this cursor as well. X coordinate is correct, it's exactly straight to the link, but y is at the top, so we have to bring that down. For that we have to change some value. Okay, let us change. I'm closing this. I'm going to basically do some changes on the y coordinate values. So instead of 18, let me give 100 and see where the mouse is moving. Okay, so now let me run this code. So now see, x coordinate, the position is same, but the y coordinates value is now from the top, it is little coming down now, right? It was in this place, now it has come down. So it means by increasing the value of y coordinate, actually it is actually bringing that cursor down. Okay, so we have to understand up to which value we have to change. We have to calculate and we have to change the value. When it was 18, it was here. Now I have changed it to 100, so it has come down. To be able to place this cursor on this location, so you have to bring a little down. Okay, so for that I have to increase the value a bit more. Okay, now it is at 100. Now let me provide, let's say 138. Okay, so it was 18, so I'm increasing by 120. So by default, if you face such problems, just increase the value by 120. Okay, from the original value. So original value was 18, so I'm going to increase the value by 120 plus 120. Okay, 18 plus 120, 138. Now you see where it is coming. So now let me run this code again. So now see, so now the y position has come down again, and it is exactly locating that particular web element, right? X is constant, but we have changed the value of y so that it can come to the exact location of the web element. My mouse is on the particular link where I want to click, right? So now we are ready for the clicking. Okay, for the clicking we have a different method, mouse press. Okay, mouse press. So we have input event. To do left click we use button 1 down mask, button 1 down mask. Okay, so and to do right click you use mouse event, button 3 down mask is for right click. Okay, so this is for left click and this is for the right click. So once we use mouse press, we also have to use mouse release. So mouse release. Okay, so let me release this mouse, and now let me run this code and see whether it is able to do left click on this particular images link or not on the google.com web page. Now let me run this code. So as you can see, it has clicked on this particular images link and it has redirected to the images page of the Google. Okay, so it has successfully run. So now left click is successful with the help of the mouse. Okay, now let us proceed and see whether it can do the right click. So for that, so let me comment out this part, the left click part, and I can use the button 3 down mask. Okay, so here I'm going to release the mouse key again. So let me release this mouse press also, r dot mouse release. Okay, so let me use this. So now let me run this code and see whether it is able to do right click on that images link or not. Okay, So as you can see, it has done right click on this particular images link. You can see this open link in new tab, open link in new window. So all these are coming because it has done right click on that images web element. Okay, so it has opened that. So just if I just do manually now, I'll show you. See, if I do this, it is bringing up this one. But if I normally do a right click on other place, so it has brought up this one. Okay, so if I do right click on this images, it has brought up this one. So it means that the right click has been successful. Okay, so this way we can handle the left click and the right click by using the robot class. Okay, we have different methods: mouse move, mouse press, mouse release, but we have to find the x and y coordinate of this particular web element wherever you want to do the right click or the left click. If you have any doubts, any comments, please drop those in the comment section. And if you have not practiced, please practice. It will come to you. I'll come up with a new tutorial. Thank you. Thanks for watching.